Hi, my name is Mr. T. I'm the manufacturing teacher here at McQueen. This is our workspace that you'll be using if you join our class. It's a real hands-on class, lots of design and fabrication. Right now my class is working on some seats for hot rods. What are you guys doing right now?
We are cutting our holes.
Using a drill press, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Cool. It's all clamped. Gonna come and squeeze behind you. Austin and Josh, what are you guys doing?
Hurting my shoulders.
Hurting your shoulders. It's worth it.
Yes.
Yeah, we're using tin snips to cut out the sheet metal. You can see they have a bunch of layout marks. They learned how to lay this out, how to design it on a computer, and then build it in real life. What we got going on here, boys?
Flattening out all the rough edges. Yeah.
Cool, looking good. So we're gonna walk over to our design lab. This is where the magic happens over here. Got all our computers. We got some robotic stuff in here. This is where you design things on computers and then bring it into the lab to build. Anyway, I hope you found that video informative, and I hope to see you in class one day. Thanks.